everybody, this is Dad from Ray and Dad, and today I'm going to share some of the towel animals we got on our Disney cruise, on the Disney cruise ship, the Wonder. One of the things that's really neat about cruise ships, Disney as well as other cruise ships we've been on, is that they do towel sculptures or towel animals or towel figures on your beds every night as they do the turn down service. They usually leave you chocolates and they'll have a little towel animal. And so here's a collection of the towel animals we had over the 6 nights we were on the Disney Wonder. We hope you enjoy. All right, going to record each of our towels on the Disney cruise. So every night they come in and do a turn down service and they make some kind of towel sculpture. I think this is supposed to be like a bunny. We were trying to figure out what it is. The eyes are the tricky part. So if I cover up the eyes, I can see a bunny, right? If I take, but with the eyes, I'm like, I'm not sure what's going on here. Anyways, first night of our towel sculpture. So our new pillow animal, which we think is maybe a bear, and it's cute how they put the little eyes on it. I think maybe it's a bear. Kind of looks like a bear. Super cute. Really love the turn down service and the fact that they do these little towel animals. All right, so this has to be the best towel animal or blanket animal that we've gotten yet, and it's not even an animal, it's Davey Jones. And they put my sunglasses on Davey Jones, which is hilarious. And check out these coins they give you. I think they're chocolate coins. Oh, they're chocolate coins. They say dead men tell no tales, like Ray just said. That is awesome. That is the best towel blanket sculpture I've ever seen. That's amazing. It's a kangaroo. Look at the cute kangaroo. The kangaroo with the joey was one of our favorites. In fact, Ray kept the joey. The other thing we had was a rhinoceros. Unfortunately, I forgot to videotape it, but here's a picture of that rhinoceros on our bed. So I don't know how well this is going to come out with all the light, but this is our towel animal today, and it's a monkey, and the best part is it has the pirate bandana on it. Is that cool, Ray, or what? It's cute. That's super cute, right? That's fun. All right. Thanks all for joining us to check out the towel animals. This is just a short video today. Just wanted to share some of those cute figures with you. Make sure if you enjoyed this video to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And hit the bell for notification to keep up on all our adventures. And most of all, we hope that you enjoy.